Diyos po patuloy na ating kaagapay sa buhay po na atin pong tatahakin. Magmako po tayo sa pagbasa.
Ako'y pinahihinlay sa mainam na pastulan at inaakay niya ako sa tahimik na batisan.
Lahat gagawa sa araw na ito sa pangalan ng Ama, ng Anak at ng Diyos.
Tinatawagan po natin dito ang ating punong bayan, Engineer Boy Alvarez, Vice Mayor Eric Garcia, siyempre po ang ating patawatan Chief of Police Captain R.D. Pagaman. At babasahin po ang
Republic of the Philippines, Department of Interior and Local Government, National Police Commission, Philippine National Police, Cavite Police Provincial Office, Noveleta Municipal Police Station, Noveleta, Cavite. Certificate of Commendation is awarded to Josito A. Abejero. It is a distinct pleasure to commend your exemplary performance for the arrest of suspect for the crime of robbery with violence and intimidation transpired at Barangay San Rafael 4, Noveleta, Cavite, last April 12, 2012. The professionalism and dedication to your sworn duties and untiring support to Noveleta PNP contributed immensely to the security and maintaining peace and order. Congratulations and keep up the good work. Given this 23rd day of April 2012 at Noveleta Municipal Police Station, signed R.D. Otis Bagaman, Acting Chief of Police, and Honorable Engineer Enrico Alvarez, Municipal Mayor. Yun pong act ni Josito A. Abejero is a heroic act kasi po hindi niya po actually lugar yung pinaghulihan ng hold-upper or snatcher. Kasi kasabay niya lang po sa bus yung na-snatch saka yung biktima. Nung sumigaw na yung biktima, hinabol niya po, kasama po yung biktima, na siya naman pong, sinuportahan naman sila ng mga tao doon at nahuli nila yung dalawang suspect, which is actually involved din sa isa pang robbery, dito naman po sa CPU subdivision, na naipile na rin po natin ang kaso.
Interior and Local Government, National Police Commission, Philippine National Police, Cavite Police Provincial Office, Noveleta Municipal Police Station, Noveleta, Cavite. Certificate of Commendation is awarded exemplary performance and valued participation for the assistance you have rendered to the Noveleta Municipal Police Station, Cavite PPO in the recently concluded Oplan Lakbay Alalay 2012. From April 2 to 8, 2012. A professionalism. May this commendation serve as encouragement for you to continue working with vigor and enthusiasm.
siya po ang lagi nating katulong siya sa Oplan Kaluluwa, Lakbay Alalay, sa lahat po ng activities sa bayan ng Noveleta. Nakasupport ko po.
Magandang umaga po at maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.
Ay, sorry lang sa'yo kasi. Silang, talulit na,